Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to SS Gaming Unity 3D. So in today's video we will discuss that how we can save data in our Unity editor without pressing Ctrl S again and again. With the help of this, everything we do will be automatically saved after few seconds. We don't need to press Ctrl S again and again. The advantage is that if in any case if your project is closed, your data will be saved automatically and the data in your project will be not corrupted. So before starting the video, if you do not subscribe to SS Gaming Unity 3D, then go subscribe and press the bell icon so every new video will reach you first. And don't forget to follow our WhatsApp channel. So let's start our video. So first we need to import the autosave plugin in our Unity project. For that, first extract the zip file and then import the folder in Unity project. So I import this into Unity project, and after that we don't need to do anything. We just tick two boolean. I will show you. So click on the autosave configuration file and tick the enable and logging boolean. So through both, so the autosave log show in our console. So I make some changes in my Unity editor, and you can see after some second the console the log has been showing that autosave your data. So this plugin is working completely fine and you can use it, and with the help of this you can save our data in Unity editor automatically. You don't need to press Ctrl S again and again to save our Unity project data. You just install this plugin and after that your data will be saved automatically, and this is a very helpful plugin. I also use this plugin, so I will give you the link in the description. Download it and use it. I hope you like this video. If you like, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.